when I strike, it can sting for years. And bitch, I'd rather be feared than to be revered. So bow down when the king appears and keep clear, cause heads fly when Joker starts to swing his spear. I like Gerard Butler in a fucking Spartan suit, and the tip of my black boots about to part them glutes. Like who you really trying to start with, Dukes? I rhyme doper than you rapping with my butt, throwing farts through flutes. The greatest rapper ever is me. I'll hike from SeaWorld to Bisbee and throw a stingray at you like a frisbee. I'll leave you looking tipsy, then cock back my fist and hit you so hard the impact will resonate through history. You piss me off and quickly you'll get stonewalled. I'm coming at you like the Indiana Jones ball, kicking rhymes so heavy I keep breaking my own jaw. Joking Mr. Gray, we told y'all we bringing it raw. We bringing it raw. We bringing it raw. We bringing it raw. We coming with the Joker smile, Joker hate, Joker style, never change. Don't be surprised if I crack your jaw. Shutting it down, taking over when we come into town. You'll be lucky if we leaving it all. We're bringing it raw.
Coming with the right hit, beat you with the nice stick. Despite shit, I'm coming raw. Vicious with my mic spit. I get a little lost listening to these sidekicks, claiming to be boss when they faggots who don't like dicks. Confused and consumed by the world they living in. Swear they so raw, but they get roasted when I get it in. Cook these cowards up, pan fried little pussies. Don't trip, Joker, let me spank these baby squishies. I put them in their place, man, no need to waste time. Will some of you be famous if you bitch less and grind? It's like you think the beef the only piece up in this recipe, but half you ass rappers spit disasters like some leprosy. I'm bringing it raw, like my name was Eddie Murphy. Spitting with some sickness, show you pictures you ain't worth. Step up your game, boy, Nintendo saying bye. Rip a red first like it's the last before I die.